Hello everyone. Today we're gonna look how the summary tools works on the Ender Turing platform. Summary is a short recap of a conversation generated by AI model. Summaries are incredibly useful because they allow us to quickly understand the key points and outcome of a conversation without having to listen the whole call. There are two types of summary on the platform: unstructured and structured. Unstructured summary are basic text recaps. They are perfect for simple scenarios, like general main point of the conversation. They give you a quick overview of what the conversation was about. The second type is structured summaries. They are created in JSON format. This means they have a clear fields that are easy to analyze and use for reports. You can export these from the system into Excel. When you export them, each structured point appears in its own column, making data analysis much simpler. So, let's create a summary. First, go to Analytic Configuration, then GenAI Studio. This is where we create the prompt, the instruction that AI used to generate the summary. I will use the copy of existing one. This is the structured summary. Please pay attention to the logic of building a prompt. The first phrase is a template that allows Ender to automatically insert correct call type. The role. We add "You are an expert in analyzing client calls" to help the AI work more accurately. The context. A clear explanation of what is being analyzed. In this case, there is initial and final sentiment state of the client. The JSON itself structure. This is the most important part. We use a template phrase for all summaries, followed by a specific question we want the AI to answer. The format of that question is the line, key in the single quotes, and the question for the AI. If it's not an open-ended question, we provide the specific answer option in the brackets after the question. Please pay attention. Every key in your JSON must be unique across all of your summaries. Do not use the same keys in the different summaries. If you do so, you will get corrupted data and bad reports. Keep in mind that if a question is open-ended, like reason for refusal, where every conversation might have a unique answer, you won't be able to turn that specific data into dashboard chart. However, you can still track this answer through EnderGBT or by exporting them to Excel. Finally, after all the question, we add the technical requirement. The answer must be brief, up to certain amount of words, and add the language, specified or use as a function, which will automatically use your conversation language. Please pay attention. Always enable the force JSON mode. This will ensure that every response is returning in a correctly structured format. This approach guarantees that every summary has the same fields, which is essential for clean analytics. The unstructured summary, on other hand, much easier to create. Just specify your conversation type, add open question, and specify the technical requirement. Okay, now we create two prompts for our summaries. Let's go back and create the automation. Open Analytic Configuration, then Enders. Create new Ender. Enter his name and enter the team. Use the trigger New Conversation Added if you aren't filtering by topic. If you do so, use Conversation is Update. Use action type Summary. Choose prompt that you create. Please pay attention. Use only meaningful conversation. To do that, go to Condition and find Duration or Resolution Time. We recommend set up at least 30 seconds of conversation. In addition, we recommend to set up a word count. Add at least 30 words from each side, agent and client. You can add more condition if you need so, but this setup will increase your summary accuracy. Please keep it in mind. Congratulations! After you hit save, you will have fully worked summary in the Ender Turing platform.